Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix iCloud storage full on iPhone or iPad. So in this video I will tell you how can you fix this, but first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. Before freeing up space, you need to see what's using it. For this, open the settings app on your iPhone and then tap on your Apple ID at the top. Next, choose iCloud. Next, tap storage to view a breakdown by category. Photos, backups, iCloud Drive and more. Even if you don't think you use iCloud much, it can still get full due to hidden data like old backup and sync message. So in this video, I'll tell you how to clear iCloud storage on iPhone and iPad. First, you will need to clean up each category individually. First, use iCloud recommendation. For this, go to settings. Next, tap on your Apple ID at the top. Next, choose iCloud. If you see recommended for you, tap it. Apple may suggest deleting old backups, removing large iCloud Drive files, turning off unnecessary app syncs. These are personalized and very effective. And you are done. Next, I am going to tell you delete old iCloud backups. For this, go to settings. Next, tap on your Apple ID and choose iCloud. Next, scroll down. Select backups. Tap turn off. And you are done. Next, I am going to tell you delete unnecessary iCloud Drive files. This, open Files app. Next, tap on Browse. And then choose iCloud Drive. Browse folders to find large or outdated files. And then long press the file. And then choose Delete Now. You can also accomplish this from the iCloud settings. Access the storage section, select iCloud Drive and remove large files. And then tap and hold to delete a file. And you are done. Next, I am going to tell you manage app data in iCloud. For this, go to settings. Next, tap on your Apple ID at the top and choose iCloud. Next, tap on your storage. Here, tap an app like Notes or a game to see how much space it's using. And then select delete data from iCloud and tap delete to confirm. And then turn off syncing for the apps you don't need to back up to iCloud. And you are done. I hope this video will help you to fix iCloud storage full on an iPhone or iPad. And also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.